Hi, here we are, almost to the top of Turd Peak, aka
Sentinel Peak.
Bodie, you're choosing a good day for your first hike, huh? Welcome to the hiking crew, Bodie. Now you're biking and hiking. Bodie, keep moving, keep it moving. Uh-oh. Bodie, maybe we were worried a little too much, huh?
Yeah.
We were planning on having her leashed down here, but she's a wily goat.
Oh, are you?
She made it on her own way, yeah. So, she did good.
Yep.
You made it through your first mountain experience.
Good job, Budaroo.
You're probably way better off than we are.
Yep.
But we worry about you too. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Like coconut.